Yeah, so when I got out of college, my grade point average wasn't stellar, and I got out a little late because I had changed majors in the beginning, in the middle of my college career, and went from engineering to business. And so my job opportunities were far few between. The economy was a little bit hurting. So my cousin actually was in the cell phone industry. It was the beginning of the cell phone industry, and so he set me up as a junior rep in New Jersey, and I started my own company called East Coast Cellular out of my home, and I started selling cell phones at about $2,000 a piece. Actually, the cheaper way to get a cell phone in your car was to install it in your car. So I was climbing around cars, installing them in cars, drilling holes through roofs to put antennas. It was an interesting time in the cell phone industry, and the cell phone industry quickly went from selling them at $2,000 a piece to giving them away. And when people started giving away cell phones, it became untenable for me to try to buy the cell phone, give it away, and then wait for my commission later on. So I got out of that business. I got into the guitar business for a little while, which eventually led to the pasta business, which eventually led to my wife and I deciding to move to Florida. And when I had sold my pasta business, I had bought it and sold it, and I was intrigued by the process. So I said, hey, I'm going to move to Florida to buy another business. So I moved to Florida looking to buy a business and reading the want ads, because that's what happened at the time. There was no such thing as the internet. And so when I got down to Florida, I was reading the want ads, and I saw all these brokers. In fact, I didn't even know what a broker was. Sold my own business in Hartford, Connecticut. Did not even use a broker, didn't even know that there was such a service available. And so I started going to different brokers, and for the most part, I felt like I was in a used car sales room with most of these gentlemen and people that I had met with, until I got to Transworld. In Transworld, I met Don and Bonnie Parrish. Don, 30-year IBMer, Bonnie, incredible entrepreneur, and they treated me like family, and they just convinced me that, hey, you really don't know what you want to do here in Florida. If you're concerned, why don't you just buy a business? And instead of buying a business, why don't you just come aboard as a salesperson? So I did.